So I'm working on these pipes. I had to do some digging on Friday. I got that Y in there. I'm going to use that Y to attach this downspout. And then I got to run 1.5 inches across behind here to catch the sump pump. But of course on Friday I blew a track while I was trying to backfill over here and flatten some of this out. Track flew off. So apparently they came this morning and put the track back on, and he left his grease rag laying here. So I'm thinking, great, he left me a greasy rag. So I move the rag, get in, I start to move the machine, and the track's flopping. Well, the whole point of him leaving that rag was to let me know he's not done. But apparently my brain's not working properly today. So yeah, the track's still not done. Apparently he ran out of grease. And he's not gonna be able to come back today. He's gonna have to come back tomorrow. But all I got left is that little bit of piping up there. And then I'm gonna finish, take it down this hill. So I'm gonna have to dig out a little bit there and try to make a turn and go straight down. As you see, I'm going into a pile of dirt, so I'm gonna have to turn it, get it down there as far as I can. Well, for today, I'm just gonna work up there since I can't use the machine. Got the track fixed yesterday finally. So I dug this out and ran these pipes. This is gonna be to get this rain spout, get the water out of here. It's tied into that other pipe. Then I got this 1.5 inches for the sump pump. I need some more parts for that, so I couldn't finish it, but I gotta take it up here and up to that pipe there. Try to tie it all in. Looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna backfill this a little bit. Probably finish this tomorrow. I'm not gonna backfill right here because I decided I'm gonna put a huge lump of concrete here for a little bump out. This way when the water comes down that hill, keeps going that way and not turn at the door here. I took the step out too. I just grabbed it with the machine with the claw, picked it right up. Took it down there. I'm probably gonna use it at the bottom of the hill wherever I come out with my pipe. I'm gonna lay that first. This way we recycle it, and then I'll put a bunch of boulders around it to try to hide the pipe. But check this out. I found the old foundation pipe here. But it's all dry rotted from '69. I can't believe a piece of it's there. When I dug up in the front, there was nothing. So I don't even know where this comes from, unless it all just rotted away. That's it. I'll probably do another video here when I'm pouring a lump of concrete. I'm gonna have to form this all out because I may come up. I'm trying to think how high I'm gonna go. I gotta be higher than there. So I'm probably gonna be around here somewhere. Then I haven't decided if I'm gonna step it down. She could put flower pots here or something. I guess we'll figure that out when I'm forming it. Got the pipes all done. This is gonna be my bump out. We're gonna fill this in tomorrow. Apparently 42 80-pound bags. We'll see. Hopefully all the dirt I pushed up against it will hold it. Feels pretty solid though. See what happens. See how it bowls in a little bit? I guarantee you the concrete will push it back out. That's because I pushed down here with the machine Just bumped it in a little bit, which will be fine. It's going to be under dirt anyway. Now I'm going to have to pour some concrete here. But right now I'm just worried about this so I can get rid of that machine, get it out front and do those bollards. 6 bags in. We keep going. There's another 19 there. I got another 20 in the van. Circus. All right, 25 bags in the hole. Kid's going to get some more. Let's hit this with the vibrator real quick. Little Harbor Freight cheapie. It works. So we got 20 more bags. That should be enough. I'm thinking maybe 15 will do this. Maybe 15 more, hopefully. But at least I got enough. Had to put some extra pushers pushing against the oil tank because I don't want that puffing out. And we're not moving this. It's 3/4 full. I'll get the next in and I'll come back. Well, there it is. It actually took about 35 bags. Almost had a blowout over here. As you can see, some of the concrete's coming out in that corner. But thankfully that's all done now. Hopefully this can sit over the weekend and dry. I haven't decided if I'm just gonna grind the top or if I'm gonna cap it with something. I guess I'll have to see after I take the forms out and do my level, and I could always do that later. My thing is I gotta get this machine out of here. So at least this will hold the dirt from coming down here to the step and all over the door when it rains and running into the basement. So at least this is here to hold the dirt back. All right, I got it covered up the best I can with a heat blanket because it's going to be cold tonight. It's actually cold right now. My hands are numb. So hopefully Monday I can come take all these forms off and we'll see what the beast looks like. It was actually 39 bags, 39 80-pound bags. So hopefully Monday I can take the forms off and fix some of this dirt and get that machine out front to start doing the bollards, digging for another 6 bollards.